Welcome inside. I'm TaQuita Hogan-Claiborne, attorney and founder of Moolah Management and the Legacy Lux Experience. This is where high earning professionals finally stop guessing and start building a real legacy. Most of us were taught how to earn money, but not how to protect it, grow it, or pass it on intentionally. That's why I created the Smart Legacy Plan, a five-part system designed to turn income into protected generational wealth. This is not your typical estate plan. This is a living legacy system for people who want peace, power, and protection, not just paperwork. Let me give you the Smart Legacy Plan breakdown. S. Seeds. Audit and control your income. What's the outcome? You're going to go from chaos to clarity. You'll discover where your money is leaking, what's unprotected, and how to reclaim financial power. We eliminate hidden liabilities and begin building a values aligned foundation. M, manage. Align your money with your life. What's the expected outcome? Systems equal freedom. Build custom systems that automate and align your financial life with your vision. No more guessing where your money goes. Every dollar has direction and purpose. A, accelerate. Grow your wealth. Outcome. Your money works for you. This is where you learn to grow your assets, build passive income, and amplify what you've already earned through optimized structures and strategic movement. R, retain. Legally protect your wealth. Your outcome? No more courts involvement unless necessary. No more unnecessary taxes or even any confusion. Put airtight legal protections in place so you don't lose what you've built to unnecessary probate costs, predators, or painful surprises. This is where you're going to have beneficiary designations, property allocations, and business entities established and protections. They all going to come in place to protect your property. T, transfer. Build a perpetual legacy. The outcome? A legacy that lives longer than you. We architect the plan that ensures your values, your vision, and wealth so you can get passed on clearly, easily, and in your control. Family disputes? No, no, they're gone. Uncertainty? No, replace with a plan. Every step in this plan is designed to move you from prosperity, where you're already at, to perpetuity. You'll stop being just wealthy on paper and finally become the architect of your financial legacy. So let's get started. Begin with step one, seeds. Your legacy deserves it.